everyone, how are you? Want to hire front-end web developer for less than zero point 0.0 cent a day? Guess what me and my team did? Just that with Hub UI. So we're among the early adopters of Hub UI. Hub UI gives you ready-to-use templates for front-end development. They are lightweight, modular, and the last part is my favorite. They are come with unlimited license for unlimited projects. Hope UI just like having 24/7 front-end developer for less than 0.2 cent a day. Trusted by a community of more than 10,000 developers. Enjoy guys, see you.